Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. When we say the greatest warriors of all time, we mean the most revered, feared and ferocious, and some of these people from history have caused atrocities and will be remembered as evil. But these top 7 greatest warriors put their action to one side and rank based on their legendary status. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Alexander the Great. This famous Greek king is regarded as the greatest warrior of all time. Having died at the age of 33 years old, Alexander the Great conquered more than half of the world, which is one reason why most historians regard him to be greatest warrior of all time. Unlike many kings who watched their troops fighting in battles, Alexander himself led his army from the front line in every battle. At the time of his death, he remained undefeated and had taken over every major kingdom including Egypt, Persia and India. Number 2. Vlad the Impaler. Perhaps no other name gives rise to more terror than Vlad the Impaler, or perhaps the name he is better known as Dracula. Vlad the Impaler is regarded as being the Lord of Darkness and for being a great warrior. Born in 1431 in Transylvania, modern day called Romania, he ruled the region for many years. In fact, he was such a great warrior that his victories over the invading Ottoman Empire are known and celebrated throughout the Europe, not just Romania. He is remembered for showing absolutely no mercy to his enemies. According to legend, not only he did impale on his enemies, but he also drank their blood. Number 3. Attila the Hun. One would not expect to see the name of Attila the Hun on such a list, but he remains one of the greatest warriors of all time. Attila the Hun was born in present-day Hungary, and over his life he became the most violent and ruthless ruler in the region. His victorious attacks and battles against the Roman Empire across Europe earned him the reputation of being one of the most intimidating and terrorizing warriors ever. He even claimed to own the sword of Ares, the Greek god of war. Number 4. Saladin. While Saladin is portrayed as the villain of the Third Crusade War in the Middle East, he is hailed as a hero. Saladin is regarded as the brave warrior who defeated European. Saladin was born as a commoner in 1138 in Mesopotamia, and he went on to become the founder of Ayyubid dynasty. He was the first Sultan of Syria and Egypt in 1175. Even after becoming Sultan, Saladin personally led all major military campaigns. Number 5. Richard I, the Lionheart. There are many tales about Richard I, the Lionheart. Firstly, he was the King of England for 10 years and is considered to be one of the greatest warrior kings of his time. He ruled over Cyprus, Gascony, Anjou, Brittany, Nantes, and Aquitaine. He earned the nickname of the Lionheart for his exceptional war strategies and courage. At just 16 years of age, Richard I started leading his army. He also became the prominent Christian leader to go against Saladin and fought the Third Crusade War. Number 6. Spartacus. There have been many movies and TV shows made about Spartacus, and despite our disbelief, some of it amazingly real. Spartacus was a Thracian soldier who fought for the Roman army in early ages of his life. However, he walked away from the army instead of fighting against the Germans, due to which the Romans captured and sold him into slavery. Since Spartacus was well built and had a splendid ability to fight, he was eventually trained as a gladiator. Due to his large size, Spartacus became known as heavyweight gladiator. He was trained to fight with a long straight blade that was nearly 18 inches long and a large heavy shield. Number 7. Prince Rupert. Born in Paraguay in 1635, Prince Rupert rebelled against this royal upbringing and earned himself the nickname Rupert the Devil. Rupert fought his fight war at the age of 14 and became the military bodyguard to Prince Frederick in 1635. By the time he turned 18, Prince Rupert had built a reputation of being a fearless warrior and being 6'4" and well built. Many people thought he had supernatural powers.